pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
Just slots in.
A little bit of furry trim makes it.
That's nice. Good for air conditioning and heating.
And stops the door from banging onto the door.
Oh, looks easy.
Like that.
Wow, you'll actually be able to lock the door.
Yeah. It's a radical concept. Yeah.
I'm very excited about locking the door. Look at that.
Get lined up.
Just so they don't come in while you're drilling. How did I know they were going to try and come in? Just at the wrong time.
Because they always do.
This is much more sturdy than our previous door, which is from Bunnings.
There is no comparison.
You're not happy? Do you want to come in? Just wait 5 minutes. Not even. Oh my gosh. This is the first time we've been able to lock our door. So everything looks stronger. This is all metal.